Do you want to use Messenger without people knowing you're online? Tired of friends saying, "Hey, I saw you active. Why didn't you reply?" Today, I'll show you how to hide your active status on Facebook and Messenger in under 30 seconds, so you can chat privately, browse peacefully, and stay invisible when you want. Stay till the end. This setting gives you full control over your online presence. Welcome back to PreyoPhonie, the channel where normal users become smart, digital privacy masters. In this video, I'll show you the official Facebook method to turn off active status on Messenger and Facebook. No apps, no hacks, no risk. Just clean privacy control. Step-by-step process. Messenger method. Step 1. Open Messenger app. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Step 2. Tap menu icon. Now tap on the menu icon or your profile picture in the top corner. This opens your Messenger control panel. Step 3. Open Settings. Next, tap on Settings. This is where Messenger privacy controls live. Before we start, subscribe to PreyoPhonie for Facebook tips, privacy tricks, monetization guides, and security tutorials. Like this video to support the channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss powerful updates. Now let's go invisible. Step 4. Tap Active Status. Scroll slightly and tap on Active Status. This controls whether people can see when you're online. Step 5. Turn off Show when you're active. Now simply switch off Show when you're active. Boom! Your active status is now hidden. Nobody can see when you're online anymore. What happens after turning this off? Once active status is disabled, people won't see your online dot. You won't appear active. No pressure to reply instantly. More privacy control. Peaceful Messenger experience. Less social stress. You can use Messenger freely without being watched. Important note, transparency tip. When you turn off active status, you also won't see other people's active status. This is Facebook's privacy balance system. Now you know exactly how to hide your active status on Facebook and Messenger and control your online visibility like a pro. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to PreyoPhonie for more Facebook privacy hacks, growth strategies, and smart tech guides. Because here we don't just stay online, we stay in control. See you in the next powerful tutorial.